Hey guys, what's up? What's up? We're going to unbox this hexbug that we got from Target. It's a dragon hexbug remote control creature, and it says recharge and play, so I guess you can just charge it and you don't need batteries. So it's like $25 at Target, and Jack is going to unbox it.
What's up, guys? I'm going to unbox this what my mom just buy me. So let's go.
Okay, let's say bye first, and we'll show you when it's
Done.
opened.